Hey, I'm going to collect some Bachmann models. I have this Bachmann Thomas and this track. And so I'll get some scissors to open this Annie. Just be patient. And I'll look at Annie's surprise face. You know there's some big scissors, Mom?
No. Yeah, no. You can look in that basket right there. Where I keep the pencils.
I am soon going to collect the Clarabelle. My allowance money. So let's get Annie open. Okay, now, Annie can breathe. There's the box. There's Annie's case. The buffers. Ooh, ooh. There's the back. There's the name. It says Bachmann underneath. I know you can't see it because I'm looking at the camera. This is not a good quality camera. Get off the track, Thomas. Track is not fitted together properly right now. Look, Osita's scared of it. Hey, Osita, it's just a train. See? Now let's see Thomas do a test run with Annie. We'll soon have an Annie and Clarabelle. Whoa! That was Mom's heater. Osita likes to watch. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with Thomas. He derailed. Okay, it's fixed. Uh-oh. What's wrong over there? He should derail over there. Trap coupling wasn't working that well. There's Thomas and Annie. Let's see this side. Not Thomas and Annie, actually, I guess. What the? Whoa, 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 whoa. Now let's see Thomas pulling Annie backwards. It's a review on Thomas and Annie. No. Fail. No front coupling. I guess. Okay, so let's see him pushing Annie. Woo! Uh-oh. Thomas, derailed. Wait, come back, Thomas. Push. It's like Colby and Catherine. Uh-oh. Almost derails a lot. That's why you do not put him at full speed. Now let's see how he goes backwards with Annie. Which is not the right thing to do, to push their trains backwards. So let's see how he does it. Uh-oh, Thomas unplugged. Okay, you got unplugged from the remote. Soon he'll have Annie and Clarabelle. Fast, fast, fast. Oh, he goes backwards with Annie. Wow. Not when he goes forwards with Annie. Soon I'll get Percy too. Well, he fishtails off the track, and then he re-rails. Well, that one he was lucky. He goes fast. I'll see Clarabelle, and then I'll get Percy. Don't worry, he'll re-rail. This is my living room. There's AFV on. Can't really see it because the light's reflecting. If he was pulling a truck, I would put this camera on the truck to see the point of view. But of course I cannot do that. Or if the camera had wheels, I would see the point of view, his point of view. But I can't do that. Uh-oh. He derailed. Yeah, he's still managing to carry on. What the? derailed. Hey, Annie. Oh, viewers! I am so weird! Hi, Annie. Let's go for a ride. But what about Clarabelle? Oh, he doesn't have a Clarabelle, but he'll have Clarabelle soon. Oh, he stopped. Oh, yeah, that's there we go. Uh-oh. What happened? Thomas! Annie! Thomas! Annie! We were derailed. Let's derail him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 Thomas. Oh no. I can't stop. The remote's not working. I've got to stop. I've got to stop. I've got to stop. I've stopped. She's scared of it, but she wants to watch it. I'm Thomas. And I'm Annie. I'm Annie. Why, Thomas? I can't even see Thomas in this point of view, this camera's point of view. Help me! Help me! Uh-oh, I've derailed, and I'm re-railed. Uh-oh. Annie! 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 Uh-oh. I'm shaking. Thomas. I'm re-railed. Annie's derailing. We're gonna go over that complexity, yeah. Let's see what's wrong with that cat. And Thomas and Annie derailed. How about that? Let me see what's wrong with that cat. What? I wonder what's wrong with the track. It seems okay. Oh, I see what's wrong. gonna be a long video. Uh-oh. I guess it's short-circuited. Whoa. Uh-oh. Well, put it on full. Thomas cannot go that fast compared to the Hornby Thomas. Whoa, 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 whoa. Remember, I got the new Annie, but I already had the Thomas. I found a way to open the box being able to make it useful again. See? That's hard to do with a Bachmann box. And if you look at Thomas, his eyes are moving. I know you can't see it. I gotta do it like this. You can't do it. I can't do it. Just now wait to Whoa. Camera shy, Caesar? See the box with I lost the Gordon. Let's see if Thomas can push the camera.
No.
Oh, it short circuits it.
No, I can.
Yeah. There's only one way to go, and that's to put him on the track. Well, he just sort of plows it out of the way. Go slowly. Oh, you can push it. It's too heavy for him. He can't. Uh-oh. I'm Annie, and I'm Thomas's coach. Wah, wah, wah. Annie, shut up, please. No.